Hello everyone. I almost forgot to upload this one, especially with the release of the Rocks Ghost Commander. It's been a busy day. I'm using the Tempest Strike Fighters in this one. Their range is okay, their damage is okay, there's better options. Leave me a comment below, let me know what y'all think. I'm getting a new microphone soon to help improve on the commentary as we improve the channel.
Full speed ahead. Ship ready. Solution ready.
Weapon ready.
Full speed ahead. Eyes on enemy contact. Helicopter ready for orders. Squadron 22 in launch position. Enemy helicopter detected. Ghost 31, mission complete.
Air target detected.
Helicopter is ready for recon. Waiting for combat mission. I'm hit. Damn, falling down. Fighter Squadron 16, reloaded and refueled. Eyes on enemy contact. Squadron, we're on fuel. Heading back. Course 130. The target has been locked. I'm hit. Damn, that's falling down.